I'm Jacqueline Turner with Jacqueline Turner Fitness. And first and foremost, I'm a lover and believer in Jesus Christ. Secondly, I'm a wife and mother. And last but not least, I'm a health nut. And I am passionate about helping other people live the fit lives that I believe Christ came to give us. In John 10:10, Jesus says, "The thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But I have come that they may have life and have life to the full." And I believe that this full life, this abundant life, is the fit life that Christ desires for us to live. And I believe that He desires us to be fit and healthy physically, spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. I believe that our worth is far more than a number on a scale. I believe that our value is found in much more than what size jeans we have hanging in our closet. I believe that our identity is far more than just the reflection that stares back at us in the mirror. And I believe that our worth, our value, and our identity is found in Christ and Christ alone. And I am passionate about helping other people recognize their worth, their value, and their identity in Christ. I believe that when we discover Christ, when we seek Him out, we find Him and we find who we are in Him. Therefore, we can live confidently in the life that Christ has designed for us and desires for us. I believe that it is much more than just calories and measurements and things like that, but living the healthy, fit life means that we honor God, we glorify God with our bodies, and yes, that does incorporate diet and exercise, but it is so much more than just counting calories and weighing ourselves and trying to lose a few pounds. I believe that when we truly know who we are in Christ, we can be confident with who we are, period. That we can love and embrace who He has created us to be, and therefore we can live in such a way that brings honor and glory to His name. I am passionate about helping other people live the healthy, fit life, and I would love a chance to talk with you, to chat with you about how we can help you live the fit life that Christ desires for you, so that you can glorify Him, so that you can honor Him not only with your physical self, but but also your spiritual, your mental, and your emotional well-being as well. So connect with me either through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or shoot me an email, and let's chat.